So today in this video we're going to learn about the electric current. So here we will cover what is the concept of electric current and what is the importance of electric current, and also we will see that what is the real world applications of electric current, and finally we will talk about the units and formulas of electric current. So let's start the video without wasting much time. So electric current means the flow of electric charge carriers in a conductor. That is, when there is a movement of electrons or the charge carrier through a conducting material, then there will be a certain amount of electric current flowing through it. So basically there are two types of electric currents are present. The first one, that is alternating current, and the second one, that is the direct current. So here we conclude that the electric current is nothing but it is the movement of electrons or the charge carriers in a medium. So current is very necessary for the power generation and distribution and electronic devices, operations, industrial processes and transportation, medical technology, etc. So these are the applications of electric current. Here we will apply the electric current to run the appliances. So generally the electric current measured in ampere, and its formula is I will be equal to V divided by R. So here V is nothing but that is the potential difference and R is the resistance of the medium.